Hey everyone, in this video I want to tell you how to make realistic fog in two ways, and then I'll use them both in one photo. So first way, create a new layer and click on quick mask, or in keyboard just tap Q. Now from menu click on filter, render, and then different clouds. Again click on quick mask icon or tap Q to have a selection like clouds. Now from menu select modify feather. Again from menu edit, fill, and select white and confirm it. Hide this layer and create another new layer. Edit, fill, select white and confirm it. From filter menu choose render and different clouds. Okay, now make sure to change the blending mode to screen. Hold shift key on keyboard and select both new layers you made. Zoom back and tap Ctrl T. Now right click on the selection and click on perspective. Now adjust it like video and move it where you like that to be. Click on new mask and tap Ctrl I to hide everything. Then select brush tool with white color selected and paint where you like the fog to be appeared. Do the same for another fog layer. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Alright, now let's change the time from day to night somehow. To change it to night, first select the background layer, then from create a new fill or adjustment layer icon, click on color lookup and select moonlight. Then adjust the opacity. Alright, if you want, you can select fog layers and make some blur like what you see. Yeah, that was all, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Love you all and wish the best and peace together.